Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. One of the biggest benefits of buying new is that it's your very own blank canvas, but did you know you have the ability to personalise it before you even move in? New build homes give you the rare chance to design elements of your own space. In this video, we will be showing you our favourite ways to personalise your new home before you even step foot inside it. Changing up your flooring option is a great subtle way to add personality to your home. From carpets to tiles to vinyl, there are hundreds of designs to choose from. One of the benefits of adding carpet to a room is extra insulation. It helps keep the heat in, which ultimately reduces your energy bills. Alongside this, carpet is comfortable, customizable and classic, making it the perfect flooring option for bedrooms, hallways and living spaces. If you're looking for a durable, low-maintenance flooring choice, vinyl is the ultimate option. Vinyl is often found in high footfall areas of a home such as kitchens, bathrooms and dining rooms due to its water resistant and easy clean properties. We love this style of vinyl flooring used here in the kitchen combined with the colour of the backsplash and the worktops. Speaking of kitchens, you can also personalise your kitchen design. From worktops to cabinet doors, you can transform the look of your kitchen with thoughtful design touches. For example, in this kitchen, the quartz worktops and metallic hardware complement the appliances perfectly. You're also able to personalise your cupboards, including colour and style, so you can really make your kitchen your own. Whether you're designing the perfect family bathroom or a serene spa-like ensuite, there are many ways you can personalise this room. Floor and wall tiles can be selected during the build process, so you can be sure you'll love your bathroom from the moment you move in and not have to worry about getting a tiler at a later stage. There's a broad range of tiles you can choose from, including simple and elegant glazed ceramic tiles which come in a wide variety of colours. Besides the conventional rooms, in some cases you can also personalise the layout of your home during the build stage. With some of our homes we offer a flexible floor plan option, which means you can choose whether you want a downstairs completely open plan or, if you prefer, separate living spaces. So, with these range of options to personalise your home before you even move in, you're sure to find plenty of finishing touches to suit your style. To see some of our optional extras in real life, why not check out one of our show homes? To find out more information about St Modwen Homes and our available developments, follow the link in our description below.